taking you on a breathtaking drone tour of the 51 Shakti Peethas, some of the most sacred spots in Hindu mythology. Buckle up, because what you're about to see is not just a journey through stunning landscapes, but also a spiritual voyage through time and culture. First up, let's soar over the picturesque Kamakya temple, nestled in the lush hills of Assam. This temple is a powerhouse of divine energy and attracts thousands of pilgrims every year. The drone captures the temple's intricate architecture and the serene Brahmaputra River flowing nearby, creating a mesmerizing panorama. Next, we're whisking you to the iconic Naina Devi Temple in Himachal Pradesh. Perched on a hill, this temple offers sweeping views of the holy Nainital Lake. As our drone glides over, you can almost hear the ancient chants and feel the spiritual vibrations that make this place so magical. Now, hold your breath as we fly to the Jagadamba Temple in the historic city of Ujjain. Known for its rich mythology and vibrant festivals, Ujjain is a spiritual hub. The drone footage here is truly spectacular, capturing the temple's grandeur against the backdrop of the shimmering Kshipra River. Let's not forget the Ambaji Temple in Gujarat. This temple, surrounded by the majestic Aravalli Hills, is one of the prime Shakti Peethas. With our drone, you get an eagle-eye view of the temple's magnificent architecture and the sprawling landscape around it. It's a sight to behold. Moving on to the southern tip of India, we visit the Meenakshi Amman Temple in Madurai, Tamil Nadu. This temple is a masterpiece of Dravidian architecture and a bustling center of devotion. The aerial footage showcases the temple's towering gopurams, each carved with intricate details that tell numerous mythological stories. Finally, we end our tour at the Kalighat Temple in Kolkata. One of the most revered Shakti Peethas, this temple is enveloped in a mystical aura. The drone captures the hustle and bustle of devotees, the rhythmic sounds of bells, and the serene Hooghly River flowing nearby. I hope you enjoyed this spiritual odyssey through the 51 Shakti Peethas. Remember, each of these sites holds a unique story and divine energy. Until next time, keep exploring, keep discovering, and stay inspired.